Storm Shielders, meteorologist Jason Myers here. It is the weekend and it's going to be a good one. You know why? I need you to do two things right here. Like our Facebook page. And when you head to the Facebook page, vote on the weather photos. The contest ends on the 20th, or voting ends on the 20th. We have a lot of great weather pictures there. We want you to vote, and that way we can pick the best one for the winner of the camera. Do that this weekend. Secondly, right here again, watch this video. It was a wild week in weather last week. We had tornadoes, we had snow, we had fire, we had heavy rain, everything. Made a little video. It's pretty fun to watch. It should only take a couple minutes of your time. Just check it out and let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, now let's get to the forecast. This is what you came here for. Let's get to the forecast. It should be fairly quiet for most of us. Here we go. Let's start on the East Coast. The front that brought all of that rain on Thursday and Friday is moving to the east. Thank goodness. Little disturbance moves through eastern Kentucky and eastern Tennessee Saturday afternoon and starts to work its way into Virginia and North Carolina. Not much rain associated with it, just a little bit. For the most part, we start to see high pressure really developing over the eastern half of the country toward the end of the weekend here. And it looks like things are mostly quiet, just a few showers exiting that part of the country. Okay, let's rewind and then we'll shift west. Check things out in the middle of the country. A little disturbance going to move, looks like to the east. That's what's affecting Tennessee and Kentucky, but most of the middle of the country is fairly quiet all weekend long. It's looking pretty good. We rewind again, check out the west coast, and it's going to get hot in the southwest. I mean really hot this weekend. So fire risk, winds are picking up, especially in Southern California. Fire risk is quite elevated over the weekend, so keep a lookout for that. We do have a little bit of a disturbance. Really, it rides all the way from northwest Washington down through Idaho, the southwest corner of Wyoming and into Colorado, and we're going to see a few little tiny disturbances ride along that over the weekend. And as that happens, just some scattered off and on showers, but not a lot. Most of us stay dry in the western third of the country, western half of the country, just about all weekend long. Looks like some rain showers in parts of Oregon, as well as a little disturbance really moves into the Pacific Northwest. We start to see that forming. Okay, zoom back out. How about those temperatures? Everybody wants to know, is this cooler weather that's affecting nearly half the country right now, is that going to stick around all weekend long? So, looks like we do have some warm air that's going to be headed our way. We got to rewind all the way back to early Saturday morning, and it's fairly cool, some fairly cool nights in the upper Midwest early Saturday morning. So be on the lookout for that. May need that jacket early on. But we head through time and things do start to warm up. Here we are. This is Saturday afternoon. I mentioned that heat in Southern California and Southwest Arizona. Those white, that color white, those are triple digits. So get ready for the heat. Southwest Texas looking pretty hot with temperatures in the 90s by Saturday afternoon. Staying kind of cool in the Ohio Valley, really the entire Midwest staying cool on Saturday, but things look like they're going to start to warm up for us as we head into Sunday. Here we are by Sunday afternoon, and some heat really rides into the middle of the country and starts to work its way into the Midwest. Still a little spot of some cool air. It looks like in parts of Ohio, West Virginia, Northern Virginia, Maryland, Pennsylvania, and New York, and the Pacific Northwest staying fairly cool, but everybody else enjoying those shades of yellow and orange, yellow being in the 60s, orange in the 70s, and some really hot air in Southwest Texas once again. The entire weekend looks like severe weather, not much of an issue with the exception of those fires in Southern California, especially Saturday when the winds start to pick up. Be safe this weekend. One more reminder, go to Facebook, like our page, vote on the photos. We'd really appreciate it. Also, like this video and subscribe. Have a great weekend. See you next time.